Sinabi nga, abangan, may bagong song, may music video, we have a movie. So, let's recap now. Please tell everyone ano yung mga dapat pang abangan sa inyo.
So,
Sobrang secretive no.
yeah. Kasi ang daming hindi pwede pa ibuka. Pero,
I-open daw,
Ibunyag.
i-open.
Ibunyag.
ilaglag.
Ibunyag nga. Ibunyag. Ang pangit ibuka. Ibunyag.
Sorry.
That means like to reveal.
Okay, to reveal. Bunyag. Pero yes, guys, follow us on social media. KD Estrada _ KD Estrada _ on IG and on X. And KD Magno Estrada on Facebook. And for Alexa Ilacad.
Yeah, that's
On-
it.
yeah,
Everywhere.
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 Alexa
Madali
Ilacad
naman po
everywhere.
i-search. Pero yeah, may mga abangan. Pero talagang super secret. Top
Yeah.
secret pa. Baka mapagalitan kami. But yeah, meron. So, of course, music. Yeah, yun naman pwedeng i-share. So, I'm currently on the road. Currently trying to create an album. It's just taking some time kasi it's not the only thing I'm doing. So, ayun lang. Kapit, patience. But it's gonna come. It's gonna come.
And again, yung kung naging tayo.
Yes! Wala pang date. Pero yeah, abangan nyo lang. I-ready nyo lang yung mga hearts and yung mga tissues nyo.
Oh yeah, of course. Fruitcake is out now in cinemas nationwide. Thank you guys so much for the support. Youth Barkada movie of 2024 starring Joshua Garcia and Chong D. Ako at madami pa. Ako? KD Estrada.
And lastly, what is your message to all of your KD Lex fans?
Oh, yeah.
Okay.
Of course, guys, thank you so much. First of all, thank you for watching. Thank you for tuning in. And thank you rin po sa lahat na nagpunta dito ngayong hapon. Thank you for being with us. And palagi na lang thank you kasi talaga. Sobrang thankful kasi talaga kami.
Every time.
So, maraming salamat to our sweethearts. And syempre sa mga solid fans namin, we are aware na hindi po biro ang ginagawa ninyo. Kaya we will do everything that we can para maibalik or masuklian man lang yung love na binibigay ninyo. But again, thank you so much. You are God's gift to us. Sana po hindi kayo magsawa because I believe this is just the beginning.
Yes, of course to everybody here right now live, our friends from the media, and of course some influencers po here. Thank you so much for coming. Thank you so much for the questions. Thank you so much, kay BJI. Thank you so much. And mga kapamilya, and of course our sweethearts and our solid fandoms. Thank you guys so much. Sobrang grateful kami sa inyo. And we'll never stop saying that. Kahit anong interview, sasabihin namin lagi yan. That we love you and we're super grateful for you. Thank you so much all for your support. You're in our prayers every night, and God bless you guys always. Ingat kayo sa biyahe or kung saan man kayo.
Oh, thank you. And on behalf of your whole Star Magic family, we're so proud of you both. Sobrang
Thank you.
multi-talented nyo as artists. Sobrang saya na makita kayong ganito nag-sold out na kayong concert. We can't wait for your future projects
Thank
together.
you.
Once again, our hottest musical pair, KD Lex, KD Estrada,
you.
and Alexa Ilacad.
Thank you,
so much
everybody.
for joining us here on